Mama wakwaba wafreme Adorye searching mesrel now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Detonated dynamite in the Volta region. He detonated the dynamite in the Volta region during the 2016 elections. On fourth line. Mr. Adorye is currently in police custody, assisting the police service with their investigations. Rightfully so. Now, Muntie Keasi Pratt so. Muntie, how he will slide it in when year. Who say Kwasia sem na can Muntie.
Me, Adam Hamilton. Me to me, but Saha and Pimpin me woo. Say, you are Hopeson Adorye or a Lukafo, nothing will be a few beer and so on. Me to me, yes, sir. But Hopeson about Bontia Becca be beer. Keasi, if you move, you move. As if you move, you Masa, or sit down no banner a cotu. A man will be called dynamite.
We are Kwasia.
In your two in water region.
Keasi Pratt, Kwasia. Eya buaso ka ho. Penyim toto igwanitsir. Kwasia kikasa, are you not supposed to be an astute journalist? Are you not supposed to have ethics? Doesn't your ethics force you to report only the truth? Abua biom. Asema Hopeson Adorye keno. Which part of it make you come and state this nonsense claim that Edana buy a 2 year no? Amanyo kuo bi koto dynamite. Amanyo kuo ben. Keasi Pratt Kwasia mpenye. Amanyo kuo ben ne koto dynamite. Eche. Kwasia mpenye. Won't let the blood flow for no. Aka wansem area. Won't let the blood flow for no. Aka wansem area. Eya bua papa Keasi Pratt. Eya Kwasia mpenye pinjen. There baka da mum bua semi. Amanyo kuo bi koto dynamite. Amanyo kuo ben. Amanyo kuo ben. Who say asema Hopeson kan e wante? Are you that stupid? Keasi Pratt, are you that stupid? Mrs. San no mu be narrative no no the assemble ku bia so na wan correct na kwa na orukọ. Amanyo kuo ben. Okay, say he did it single-handedly.
104.3. Who to make that here?
Me, Adam Hamilton. Me to me, but Saha and Pimpin me woo. Say, you are Hopeson Adorye or a Lukafo, nothing will be a few beer and so on. Me to me, yes, sir. But Hopeson about Bontia Becca be beer. Keasi, if you move, you move. As if you move, you Masa. Or sit down no banner a cotu. A man will be called dynamite in your cotu in water region.
Don't you think you should?
Kwasia. Or say a man yo kuobi kotoye. Oh, Eunice mwa kwaba. A man yo kuobi koto dynamite. Keasi Pratt ya bua. But even when you lied that Hopeson said it was a whole political party that went to buy the dynamite, you still didn't say that it was detonated in Togo. You said it was detonated in Volta region. What to it was Volta region, according to where Keasi Pratt Kwasia mpenye. That Ben Hopeson can say a man yo kuo bi na a man kotoy or see on one he took it upon himself. Kwasia. When Jimmy do na ya mo kasa mo fanya santo.
104.3. Who to make that here?
Me, Adam Hamilton.
Samako Joy. Ghana Web. Muntie. Ghana Web. Hopeson Adorye arrested over dynamite detonation claims. Any. Or say, a leading member of the movement for change, Hopeson Adorye, has been arrested by the police. The arrest comes after the former NPP member said during an interview at Accra FM on May 10th, 2024 that he was part of a plan to scare voters. Ghana Web, when the fuck did Adorye say he was part of some nonsense? He said he single-handedly. Why the fuck do you want to twist the story? Ghana fucking Web. Munjai Jimieno. Muntina me say zero ba kope. Say who misplaces zero ba kope in account. Who be kwa them for embezzlement. And now one misplacing one fucking zero. My Jimiano, thank you for the hearts and the loves. Ghana Web, moya. When the fuck did it become a plot? Who be wana aka? Nasa Kwasia samuno aka. Say oh, omuni ni why na ni shisha wo? One and the country, I want to mean Kasamna Munjanto. When the fuck did it become a planned thing that Hopeson was part of? The arrest comes after the former NPP member said during an interview on Accra FM on May 10th, 2024 that he was part of a plan to scare voters in NDC stronghold. During even though I am Kwasia, no for the hearts and the loves, even though I am more cano, more so ahano must say it was to scare voters in NDC stronghold. NDC stronghold, is it in Togo? Is it in Togo? By denoting by detonating dynamite in parts of Volta region. Togo is not part of Volta region. Prior to the elections, we blasted Muntio in quotation. They are quoting Hopeson. Prior to the elections, we blasted dynamite in parts of the Volta region, and that scared a number of people. We blasted dynamite. We, Hopeson and the 5 boys that he supposedly recruited from Volta region. Not Hopeson and the party. Kosiafo. Ghana Web, mostly prior to the election, Hopeson, Oka said they blasted it in Volta region. Wankade Togo. And that scared a number of people. When I finished casting my ballot in Tema, this is Hopeson still talking, I drove to the Volta region, not to Togo. I drove to Volta region, and when I asked for the number of people who had voted and the expected number of voters, it turned out people did not come out to vote. He is quoted to have said, Ghana Web. And when I'm share was said he was part of Munifeni Charles, you don't know. Moya Kwasia for Moment Joy Online Sunumbo Sama okay. More story now. Report it the fuck as it is. I see Adorye's arrest politically motivated. Buabia Samoa Tokibele. You know, Tokibele is so sordo. I see. Former member of parliament for the Adenta constituency, Yabuabia Samoa, suspects political undertones in the arrest of Adorye. According to him, the manner in which the movement for change member has been treated leads him to the conclusion. He said this morning on Joy FM's News Night. He said this on Joy FM's News Night moments after news broke that the politician had been arrested. Mr. Asamoah, who is with Adorye, at the ministry's police station, explained that all they have been told is that Mr. Adorye is being investigated for alleged publication of false information. Meanwhile, Adorye is not about to run away from Ghana or from his home because the police intend to charge him with the publication of false information. So to go to the extent of keeping him all day in the police station and bringing him out to the ministries to detain him, you point fingers backward at yourself that there is something political at play and it's not fair, he said. He further told Evans Mensah that this is obviously politically motivated. There is no doubt about it. Wait, Jimmy Pa. Both Mr. Samoa and Mr. Adorye quit MPP. Now let me correct it. They didn't quit. They were sent the fuck out. They were sent out. Was Saka one for MPP. What joining? What troll letter? Was it you when they didn't quit? They didn't come and say we don't want to be there anymore. We are with Alan. They were with Alan and they said they will still be here, but they will vote here. No one you when Kwasia for.